Hey guys, what's up? Alec back with the daily stock market, and look at that. An overall red day slightly in the stock market, but individual stocks are up big. We have Rivian up 14%. I made a full video about them about a week ago when they were closer to $17 per share. You can even go back a few videos on my YouTube channel and find that. We go over Rivian and Lucid, and I went over how Rivian was the winner of the two, and now they're up 39% on the week. So if you caught that video, congratulations on being up 39% in 1 week. We also have Alibaba up 8% in 1 day. So we have some bullish things going on with Baba. Overall, in the past 3 months, they're still down 9%. And on the year, they're down 25% overall. So in this video, we're just going to do a quick stock market update on some things that you might have missed. So make sure you stay throughout this entire video. Share this video with a friend and smash a thumbs up on this video as well. So here we see some details on why Rivian's up so much already. So we see Rivian shares rev up for the 8th straight winning session in a row. What's fueling the rally? Okay, we can see that shares are set for their 8th consecutive gain, driven by strong Q2 deliveries and a charging partnership with Tesla, which we noted in our video as well, that their deliveries are a lot better than Lucid, and that partnership that Lucid hasn't taken with Tesla just yet. But be prepared, because Lucid could definitely have a partnership with Tesla next up. So if we scroll down and read a little bit more of what's going on with Rivian stock, we can see that an analyst from Wedbush, Daniel Eves, maintained an outperforming rating on the stock and increased the price target from $25 to $30 per share, suggesting a 36% upside from current levels. So in the next 12 months, he's predicting a $25 to $30 per share price on the stock. The analyst noted that the company is making significant progress in executing its long-term business model, stating demand remains firm for the company's unique EV model lineup, while production appears to now be on the road to success, as seen with stronger Q2 deliveries. And if you guys want to watch that video after this one, it's right here. Lucid versus Rivian, which stock is a buy now. We also go over how Rivian is involved with Amazon, and for Amazon's best interest, it could be a good thing if Rivian stock is successful. So make sure you check that video out, because there's huge potential with Rivian and Lucid. We go over all the balance sheet numbers, income statements, but let's move over to Baba stock, up to $91 per share. They were a huge gainer in the stock market on Friday, up 8% in 1 day. And we went over in the last 5 years, they're down significantly. So it might be a good one to dive a little bit deeper into Alibaba and see what's going on, because in 2018, their stock was a lot higher than it is today at $91 per share. And the revenue has grown, the net income has grown, the balance sheet has grown. So it could be an undervalued stock, so it could be a good one to dive deep into. Let me know if you guys want to see that. Right now, the PE ratio is also 22. By the way, market cap is 238. And what's going on with the share price today? Why did the stock price go up around 7-8% today? Well, here we can see Jack Ma backed Ant Group to buy back shares at 70% lower valuation than the IPO price. What was going on? It was a 2-year crackdown on Ant when Jack Ma and Alibaba tried to open a different company under the name Ant. The Chinese regulators were cracking them down, and it looks like they won that crackdown, and they're actually able to buy these shares back at a 70% discount, which is huge for the company. The shares that are repurchased will be utilized for Ant staff incentive program, the company said, which is very interesting that they're using it for the staff incentive program. It could be a good idea. Billionaire Jack Ma is planning to buy back as much as 7% of the shares to retain skilled individuals and offer an exit to investors who have been impacted by the company's regulation obstacle, which is a very good thing as a billionaire and as a CEO as the top chairman of the company overall. According to a report by Bloomberg on Friday, Ant Group publicly declared its plan to repurchase its shares, which would lead to an estimated valuation of around $78 billion. The valuation reflects a substantial decline of nearly 70% compared to the company's market capitalization of $280 billion during its IPO. If you guys remembered that in late 2020, because it was ultimately abandoned, the IPO, and it was a big deal in the stock market at the time. So overall, this could be a good thing for Baba stock, and let me know if you guys want me to do a deep dive into Baba stock, because this could be a stock that's undervalued tremendously right now, just because there's so many crackdowns and fears with Chinese-based stocks. Alibaba is definitely one of the better ones. If you are looking for a hedge against America stocks and want to diversify in other countries and continents. And let's quickly go over Meta Platforms at $290 per share. Remember, they just released a new social media platforms called Threads. If you guys have been subscribed to the channel for a long time, you know I've been talking about Meta Platforms all year long. When it was under $100, we were buying. When it was under $150, we were buying. So a lot of people that in our group and that just watch the YouTube videos are up significantly on Meta Platforms. It's been one of our biggest winners over the last 6 to 8 months. Okay, we can even see that they're up around 200% from lows. Will they continue to skyrocket to new all-time highs around $400 per share, or will they start to sizzle off? Right now, there's a lot of positive momentum behind Meta Platforms, so they could definitely continue that, especially with all this positive hype. Well, not all of it's positive, but mostly positive hype behind Threads, the new growing platform. Okay, so $300 per share could be the next step for Meta Platforms, but it could also be a huge psychological barrier for a lot of traders. So if we break above $300 per share next week or the week after that, that's going to be a very bullish thing for Meta Platforms, and they could probably continue to 325 or even higher at that point. We see a price to earning ratio of 36. Right now, they're getting a little bit overvalued. I actually stopped dollar cost averaging into them for a long term. Right now, I think I stopped around $250 per share, and I started selling because my average cost was a lot lower. And we picked up their PE ratio around 11, 12 on their PE ratio. Now, I don't think that Meta Platforms will go that low again, but a lot of people were hating on Meta Platforms back in 2020, even 2022. There was a lot of hate coming to Meta Platforms, and I knew that was an opportunity to jump on, and it paid off just fine and just well. However, I don't think that opportunity will present again. The lowest we'll probably see Meta Platforms in the next 12 to 24 months is probably closer to $250, $240 per share. That's when I'll start buying and dollar cost averaging into Meta Platforms once again. People are also saying that Mr. Beast took a stab at Elon Musk by announcing this on his Twitter to celebrate Threads launching. I'm giving away a Tesla to a random follower in 48 hours. Re-Threads, so people are aware. And you can see they have a Tesla. We're also seeing a big opportunity that Mark Zuckerberg just pulled off. This could be a huge turning point. We can see with Meta's Threads, Zuckerberg seized an opportunity and took a page from Steve Jobs. And what if we just see everyone doing the same thing, like Snapchat doing their own Twitter, or if we see Twitter doing an Instagram clone and you could bring all your Twitters over to that Instagram clone. So we're probably going to see some of that in the future. Meta Platforms' new entry in the social media space, Threads, has seized an opportune moment. Admin much frustration with Twitter, with Mark Zuckerberg also deploying elements of Apple co-founder Steve Jobs' well-known copycat tactic. Meta CEO Zuckerberg is no stranger to mimicking good ideas from other tech competitors. While not everything has succeeded, Instagram Stories, a copy of Snapchat, stories on Snapchat, and Reels in the vein of TikTok's popular short-form videos with effects have kept consumers engaged with Meta's less hip but sprawling social empire of 3 billion plus users. Job was the king of seeing and letting someone else take the lead and coming in either second or third and doing it better than anybody, especially with the iPod and iPhone and even the Apple Watch. Okay, so this is a very interesting thought, and a lot of analysts think that this is a good idea, so we could see this push Meta stock above $300 per share. But keep in mind, also keep an eye on Snapchat and other social media platforms on the stock market, because they could be doing stuff like this next, taking a page from Mark Zuckerberg's book and making a copycat platform. So if you guys enjoyed this video, just leave a big thumbs up. It was a quick video. It was a Saturday video. It was an extra video. So leave a big thumbs up. Share this video with a friend. If you want to join my close friends and private trading group, by the way, click on success number 9. Click on success number 8. There's thousands of positive testimonials at this point that people are making money. Thanks a lot, Alec. Over 96% gain. $8,000 made in just the past month since I've joined your Instagram close friends list and Discord. And the list goes on and on. You can read through some of these stories yourself. The big success. Just go to the highlight section, read success number 9, success number 8. Message me here on Instagram if you want to join. I have the wait list going on right now because we had to shut down a little because the demand was just so crazy with the whole bull market coming back alive, the stock market coming back alive. Everyone all wanted to join at once. So if you want to get on the list, make sure you message me to get on that wait list so you're one of the first people to sign back up. I'll shoot you over my website so you can check out everything for yourself. And let's make some money in the stock market together. Other than that, just like this video, big thumbs up, share this video with a friend. Make sure you're subscribed on YouTube, the only place to find the full-length videos, and it's said around 50% of people are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for all the love and support. As long as you keep liking these videos, I will keep making them for you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, don't time the market, buy the market. Peace.